Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are doing great. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty. My today's topic. My today's topic is how to create subdomain, and you see here I will show you how to create subdomain and upload WordPress site and database, and connect the database in WordPress site. And in the same process, you can upload WordPress and install WordPress. So you see there is I give some sample for subdomain, and you see if domain name is example.com, subdomain name will be demo.example.com. Demo is your subdomain name. You can use any subdomain. So you know why we use subdomain, and actually we use subdomain for practice purpose, and if we make personal profile or a vendor profile, then we can create subdomain. So that's why we use subdomain actually. So now I will show you how to create subdomain and install WordPress database. So full process I show you in with Namecheap cPanel, and you see this is the Namecheap cPanel full page, and here you see this is the domain section, and here you can find subdomains. So I open these subdomains, and uh, I create subdomain Smith Genesis. Okay, I copy this and paste here, and this is the domain name. You can use any domain in your hosting place. So I give this domain name, and this is the document root. So I delete this. I will create custom document root, that is public underscore html, then slash sub, there on folder in sub name, then I create the file name. Okay, so after write this I will click the create button. So you can see here, this is also example. I create this link and I paste it here. Now it will be blank page, and there is the one file. Okay, so I go to back. So you see here you will find this is the link, subdomain link, and this is the document root. When I will click this, there the redirect to the face. Okay, I think I'll go back. Smith Genesis. I think there will be file before there, so that it came here. So I reload. Actually I paste in the incognito mode, and I see this phase of set condition. Yeah, this file is already exist here, so that I do not need to paste here file. So this is the very simple for upload here file. You just click the upload button and paste this file here. So this is my existing, that was my existing website. So the file was there, so I do not need to upload it. Now I create database. I go to the cPanel, and you see there is a MySQL database. I open this MySQL database, and I create database in the same name like subdomain name. So after create database, so database is created. So you can save this database name, because it will need to paste in this file. So I will be create same username. So now I do not need to copy that. After create user, then I will copy this So I added user in the added user section, and there is the password. Okay, I create one password. Genesis. I give the password here and paste it here. Okay, after create after the username and password, then I click the create user button. Yeah, my user name also created. So now I copy this username because my username and database name is same, so I do not copy the database name. So now I will edit this database name and username, and it will assign the same database in the same username. Now I will edit this. I click the go back, and in the same time I open PHP my admin. Okay, now you see there you added user to database. So I select the user. This is the Smith and Genesis, and database also same. So now I click edit. After clicking edit, I click here all previous. After that, click make changes. Yeah, this is also assigned in the same username and database, so I do not need this phase. I close this, and now I go to the PHP my admin page. Yeah, you see this is the database. So now I click this database. Actually I select this database, and now I click import. The database is now empty, so I have backup in database. Then click source file. Here you see this is the Smith. Yeah, I think this is the database. So I open this, and after that click go button. This is uploaded. Yeah, upload is finished. After upload this database, I need to change the link. So I go to the WP options, because I backup this database in this different domain name, so this is now different, so that I need to change this. I copy this link and I will paste here, and home URL also the same, so I delete and paste the home URL. Okay, so it is now completed in the database section. Now I need to change the database name and username from file, and I go to the file. After that I go to the wp config. I will edit this file, then click edit. Now you see this is the database name and username, so I will change this. First I copy database name, and my database name and username are same, and password this is the password. After changes this, I click save changes. Okay, Now I reload my phase. I think all now work fine. I check this database. Yeah, I think this is working fine. Okay, my site is now working, and this is actually my demo site. I do not change here anything. So my full set is loading properly, and database also connected. So this is the very not very easy process, but I review this process again. So now I go to we go to the cpanel, and after that I go to the subdomain. Then I create subdomain by create give it the subdomain name, then select the domain. After that select document root. So after create subdomain, then we upload this file in this subdomain document root, and you can actually keep here any type of file, any HTML site or a WordPress site you can upload here. After that I create php.admin, go to php MySQL database and create a database. After that I upload the database and create and change this database name, username in file. So after the process complete this process, my website is the live. Okay, so I think you can um, create subdomain and upload the any file in this cpanel. Okay, and you can install also a WordPress. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please hit the comment like button and write the comment. Okay, so that's all about my today's topic. Thank you for watching. Tata, bye bye.